Good day everyone, greetings and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video I'll show you how to add your server stats on Discord. So just type this in, this prompt, and then go to the server stats. So this is the app that allows you to do this actually. So as you can see, it's a bot, so invite the bot to your server. In my case I will just invite it to test, just the test server that I'm using, guys. Then enable the permissions. As you can see, it will need certain permissions to gather the stats for you. Press on authorize, complete captcha, and now it should be done. Let me see. There you go. And now, as you can see, you can set up the bot. For information, you go here, you can also watch the video, and you can just start the bot. To do that, you go into your channel, go into the general, for example, and now, as you can see, server stats is in here. So press / and then press setup. There you go, setup. And now let's use the text channel. All right, as you can see, defaults to counters, press enter, and now the command is sending. And now as you can see, we have this drop down for server stats, which will show you what's going on. As you can see, server stats. And pretty much this little app and little bot allows you to collect and gather stats from your server easily. Also, don't forget that there are other commands that you can use as well with this bot. As you can see, you can just choose you can just choose the tab from server stats, and now you have all of the commands. So for example, server info. There you go. For example, stuff like server info. So that's pretty much it, guys. Enjoy, like the video on your way out, and don't forget to subscribe.